Hi, this is Michelle Adams with the Law Office of Michelle Adams. And today, let's talk about the woman who told us to put a little RESPECT on her name. That would be Miss Aretha Franklin, who, as many of you know, the jury ruled this week that will number two that was found within the cushions of her sofa, written in her name, was actually the will that was going to be approved. So let's unpack this a little bit. First, just know that in many states or in several states, if you write your will in your own handwriting, that's known as a holographic will. And as you can tell, those type of wills are probably the most hotly contested wills because we don't know, did the person mean to do this? Was it their intent? Were they being coerced? We just don't know what was going on. So there was the division within the family as to which will should prevail. Should it be the one that was done a few years earlier, or the one that they found kind of hidden, stuffed within some cushions of a sofa? All that to say, the lesson here is please, 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 if you are going to create a document using your handwriting, first determine if it's even legal to do that in your state. In Colorado, it is legal to do that. But second, just know that those types of wills are going to be held to a higher standard and they're going to be put under much more scrutiny. And can you imagine Miss Franklin, who was just notoriously private about all of her affairs, now had to have this decided by a jury. So they're going through, they're hearing the testimony, the whole bit, all of her business is now out in the streets, all because there was the inability or just not knowing or just not doing the right thing to put a valid will in place that could have made all of this private. Out of everything, I just hope that her family can come together. And that's also the big takeaway is that when you're not clear with your intent, then you open the door for people to start fussing and fighting. And at the end of the day, what happens is the lawyers get paid, the dust settles a little bit, but now you have family members who may be in conflict with each other. So please take the time, make sure that it's done right. It's not just about the assets, but it's also about preserving family harmony. Until the next time, this is Michelle Adams with the Law Office of Michelle Adams. Take care.